How to make money with Spreadshirt in 2023 print on demand. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, we're going to be talking about an amazing print on demand service. Okay, it's called Spreadshirt, and we're going to be using Spreadshirt to basically create the greatest looking Spreadshirt and print on demand designs out there that you can actually put up to your store and start a whole print on demand business. Okay, and this is going to be pretty incredible, and you can see all these designs that people have made by custom. You can create your own print on demand store out of this. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to spreadshirt.com and you're going to click on start selling. Now once you click on start selling, it says where designs come to grow. Make money selling your designs on over 200 products, always free, always. So you can either sell on the marketplace or you can open your own spread shop. Now this depends, whatever you want to go with. Now, if you want to sell on some separate marketplace, you can do that, or you can open your own spread shop. Now, what's the difference is that in your spread shop, you can open your own t-shirt store, which gets you really good commission, control your shop's look and feel. You can choose the products that you want to sell. When it comes to selling on marketplace, you can share your story and art with different people. So I'm going to preferably go on open your own spread shop because we want to make money on Spreadshirt. We don't want to make it on any external platform. You can do that if you want to, but I would much prefer going with the previous option that we have. So once we go over to that, as you can see, it says partner with Spreadshirt. Here we can see register for free now. So you're going to add a shop name for yourself. So let's say I'm going to add a shop name, John Thrift Store. Okay, we're just going to call it that. And then you're going to add an email to actually, fully register with this account. So we're going to add an email, add a password that goes along with this email. And once you've added all of that, confirm your password or simply just copy paste the above password that you have. Okay, paste it down here. And once you've gone through all of that, basically just go ahead with I'm not a robot, choose all of this. And once you've chosen all of that, you are going to be set to go with your account creation. So click on get started now and we are good to go. So once you're good to go here, it says welcome to your partner area. Upload your designs and create your products and sell them to your target group. Your checklist. So first of all, you're going to create your product. So let's go ahead and create an actual product. So you can upload your designs and start creating products. So I'm going to upload a random design that I created on Canva. So let's say I'm going to add this one over here. So it starts uploading black and white bold artist professional t-shirt. This is a t-shirt design that I created. And, we're just going to get started with this. Now, once you upload your design and everything, you're going to be pretty much set to go from there. So here you can see I've uploaded my design. And once you've uploaded your actual design, you can start working on it to create a actual spreadshirt. So once you upload the design, it starts giving you all these different types of things you can apply your design on. So a mug, a tote bag, camper mug, you have adjustable aprons, water bottle, baseball shirt, women's hoodie, crew neck sweatshirt, you have your men's hoodie, poly cotton t-shirt, you have the normal t-shirt, you have premium, those heavy t-shirts. So go with whatever you think is nice. I'm going to go with men's t-shirt over here. And once you go with men's t-shirt, first of all, you're going to choose the product colors. So it gives me gray, but I don't really want gray. I'm going to go with white. On white, it looks cool as well, but let's say for this one, I'm going to go black. And look at that. That looks really nice. You can actually adjust the positioning of the design as well. So I think it looks pretty good, positioned over here. And once you fix the positioning of the design, what you're going to do from there is you can deactivate different colors as well. So let's say I want to deactivate these certain kind of colors, very light colors. I don't want to go with those. So I'm just going to go ahead, deactivate all the light colors. I'm just going to keep white as a light color. And once you've deleted the unnecessary colors from your design, you're going to be set to go. So there we go. Now I want my colors only on, I want my design only on these 5 colors. Once you do that, you're going to choose if your design looks good enough. You can increase the size of your design as well. So I'd say, yeah, that looks good. Then you see the print areas. If you want any design on the back, you can do that as well. But I'm just going to keep it in the front. And once you do that, you're going to simply click on done. And look at that. So you've customized your product, and that's how you're going to start, actually adding product templates. Once you do that, click on next. and you're going to add a description for your product, telling people how you've designed the product, why you designed the product, what was the inspiration and all. Because, these things might actually attract the user or the customer that's trying to buy your products. So make sure to add a, pretty good, pretty formal type of description. Once you do that, what you're going to do from there is you're going to go ahead and add in tags for your design. Once you do that, click on create. And what that will do, so once you do that, simply click on create. And once you click on create, here we go. So now you can actually set up your spread shop. So we're going to set up our spread shop. First of all, give your spread shop a name. Okay. So the shop name is John's Thrift Store, which is pretty much good. I like that. Then you can upload a actual PNG, showing the logo of your shop. So I already have a PNG, so I'm just gonna go and add that. Okay, and once you add the proper PNG for your design, so let's say I'm just gonna add this. I know it's the Nike logo, but just adding this for an example. And once you've added the necessary logo for yourself, yeah, I think pretty much the shop, I think it's good to go. I think it looks great. So I'm gonna simply click on save over here, and I have set up my spread shop. And then finally, you're gonna activate your spread shop. So we're gonna click on continue to activate my actual spread shop over here. So simply click on online. You're gonna go ahead and add in your billing details. So, in the case you want to get paid through your shop, these are the places that they're gonna want to access. So once you do that, simply click on done. Once you click on done, there we go. So your shop is now open. So you can actually visit your shop, go into this space. So here's your shop logo. Here you can see your shop designs. Now, this is one of the designs that you can add to your shop, but you can actually add more products. So let's say I'm going to go to t-shirts, and once you go into your t-shirts, look at that. So there's your design. And clearly right now the design is not in stock, but you can actually put it in stock through your inventory over here. So once you come here, we've activated our spread shop and we're good to go. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your design, and it's going to keep your design in review. If your design has no issues in it, and if your account has no issues in it, it's going to start actually adding the designs into your store, and your store is going to be up and ready to go. And you can actually check the store statistics from the statistics corner, where you can see the credit, how many people have actually bought your things, how many things have been shipped out, how much revenue you've made, how much profit you made, basically. So yeah, that's a general idea of how you can make money with Spreadshirt in 2023 and create your very own print-on-demand store. Now, I hope that was helpful to you, because, I really worked a lot when it comes to working with Spreadshirts. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. Till then, that's all from me. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.